Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have 4 different positions that you can apply and find the best work from home job that's available for you. So stay tuned, stick around, hit the like button to help us out and reach more people like you looking for the best position that they can find their remote work from home job that's available for them. So today we're going to start with the company Purpur Incorporated. They're looking for a PR manager for a sexual wellness app and it is part-time. It pays up to $14 an hour. Purpur is a communication company. It is a modern sexual wellness company to help talk openly and positively about sex and relationships. Purpur stands for healthy relationships and improves communication among partners. Purpur is a sexual wellness brand bringing partners' communication to the next level. We welcome you to make a journey to transparent, meaningful, and deep relationships. This summer, we've launched the Purpur app, a therapy game to improve relationships by talking. We're looking for a strong person to build brand awareness, and what you'll do is your main goal is to develop and execute consistent brand activations across press and social media about the Purpur app. You'll develop public relations and influencer strategies. You create and send press releases. You befriend journalists, bloggers, and influencers. You come up with new campaigns and ideas to promote the app. You'll play a proactive role in brainstorming. You'll collaborate with bloggers and influencers to create engaging content. So here's what you'll need. You're interested in sexual wellness and well-being. You have a press list and or know how to build one. You're not afraid to contact people directly, look for contacts, social media profiles, and etc. You up to date with the memes, social media agenda, and pop culture. And you have an ability to work on your own and manage your energy. What you'll get is freedom to create, flexible work hours, it is part-time, completely remote, inspiring team, and Purpur energy. Direct report to founders. We're a small international team. It pays up to $14 an hour. It is part-time with 4-hour shifts. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular position, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 3 more jobs that we're going to be discussing in this video, but also on this channel, we're dedicated and our mission is to find you the best work from home job that's available for you. So in order for you to keep up, all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified when we have the best position that's available for you. This next job is a remote copywriter and it's for the company Pixie Cup. It pays up to $18 an hour. Pixie Cup is looking for an energetic copywriter who has a fun, friendly big sister voice. If you love what our company stands for so much, you just want to shout about it up from the rooftop, keep reading. It's part-time remote position and you'll have the flexibility to work wherever you want. Our team primarily works Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 Central, and we ask that at least 50% of your working hours overlap with our schedule. You'll also be working 1 day of customer service each week. You have the flexibility to choose your customer service hours, but the actual day you're assigned will need to stay the same unless you trade it with another team member. So for the copywriter, you will be writing all the copy for Pixie Cup. This includes product packaging and manuals, marketing emails, SMS, video ad copy, and copy for our website and Amazon. For customer service, which will be 1 day a week, you will manage our customer service. This takes approximately 2 to 3 hours and you'll be responding to customer emails, messages on social media, and any help our customers need that day. Our customers are the heartbeat of our company and we go above and beyond to make them feel important. Your qualifications: you're gifted at writing engaging, attractive copy with a distinct big sister voice. Editing and proofreading is enjoyable to you. You are driven plus self-motivated. Aesthetics are important to you and you have an eye for design. You know how to identify keywords for SEO and organically integrate them in copy. You're passionate about empowering others and giving back, plus living free. This job is part-time. It pays up from $15 to $18 per hour. It has a flexible schedule. It's a day shift, Monday through Friday. Education, preferred at least high school diploma or something equivalent, such as a GED. Experience, at least 1 year of copywriting will be preferred but not required. And language, English, that is required. So if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this particular role, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 2 more jobs that we're going to be discussing right here, or we're also going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. So all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified. Now for job number 3. This is for the company Itching's Bamboo Garden, and they're looking for a social media specialist. It pays up to $25 an hour. Itching's Bamboo Garden is looking for a social media specialist for a restaurant group. This is a mid-level position requiring at least 2 years of prior experience in the field. A social media specialist or social media marketing specialist is responsible for overseeing all of the social media accounts for our businesses, including Facebook and Instagram. Our umbrella spans 3 brands currently and is constantly evolving. We're looking for a part-time hire, $20 to $25 an hour a week, to run all of our social media pages. IBG Corporate is in Atlanta, Georgia, but this role is looking to be filled and can be remote. This position will be paid an hourly wage. The correct hire for our company enjoys autonomous work and is highly creative. The experience required: at least 2+ years of social media management, excellent knowledge of social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram with some knowledge about Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, and more. This role entails following restaurant industry trends on social media, finding and using relevant hashtags, finding ways to promote the brand and keep a strong digital presence, learning about our cuisine and being able to explain it to the world, developing and implementing a strong social media strategy for all our brands, finding and connecting with influencers to collaborate with, creative thinking, copywriting for ads, using Facebook Ads Manager on a daily basis to create ads, possibly going to a location to shoot content, but that's if you're local to the actual area. Content creation with the picture of our graphic designer provides. Posting on all social media platforms 5 to 7 days a week. Flexibility, innovative mindset, and Zoom meetings. This job is part-time. It pays up to $25 an hour. It offers a flexible schedule. The schedule is day shifts, and at least 1 year of marketing is required for this position. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this job, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 3 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 1 more job that we're going to be discussing right here, and we also going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified. The next job is for the company HDFD, and they're looking for a freelance copywriter. He pays up to $49 an hour. We're looking for a freelance copywriter for a leading beauty retail company. This role is remote. The work will include seasonal campaigns, promotional events, and evergreen marketing content. Competence working in multiple project management and proofing platforms, Monday.com, InVision, Workfront, SharePoint, Miro is preferred. It's a fast-paced but fun and never a dull moment. Work streams include store signage, direct mail catalog, and other printed projects. It's about 40%. Email content, push notifications, and homepage content, about 30%. Paid and organic social writing and editing, that's about 20%. and support in organizing templates, editing style guides, proofing, and other operations, about 10%. Here are some of the requirements for consideration for this particular position. Journalism, English, or creative writing, advertising, or related fields. Writing experience in agency, editorial, or in-house. Strong emotional intelligence, able to manage up and across and initiate communication. Ability to work well under pressure. Be flexible and meet deadlines. Demonstrated ability to synthesize strategic messages into consumer-friendly copy. Ability to receive and respond to feedback to pivot when necessary. Ability to work well under pressure and meet deadlines. This job is full-time. It pays up to $49 an hour. It has 8-hour shifts, and at least preferred 1 year of marketing and 1 year of copywriting is preferred. Not required, but preferred. And if you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, we're going to have a link right in the description below under job number 4 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. And all you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be among the first notified to find the best work from home job that's available out there for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.